Guys, this is Mokshada from Mumbai, and I had joined Neve the Foundation course a few months ago. And I've learned a lot from the course. I am so glad I joined it. It was a wonderful time. I'm here to share my experience with you. So, I learned a lot of things. Ma'am taught us to observe the patients when they come into the clinic. So how to observe the patients, and specifically pediatrics when they come into the clinic, then how to take the case, how to ask the right questions during the case, and then how to repertorize, converting the patient's language into the exact rubrics, then how to use your knowledge of materia medica to select the correct remedy, how to dispense the medicines. There are various methods to dispense the medicine, all those were taught, and then how to take follow-ups as well. So I learned a lot of things in this course, and then there was this materia medica section and repertory section. So in materia medica section I've learned almost like 150 remedies, and it was so amazing, no, and so interesting to learn remedies from ma'am, because she taught it in a way that she took a plant family, and then all the remedies that come under the family were taught in a single go, so that you could connect a single thread which connects all the remedies, and you could find the commonality which exists between all those remedies which come from the same family. And that was exactly and beautifully taught by ma'am. And then we had this animal groups like snakes and spider remedies. And then we had this mineral kingdom, which was taught using the periodic table. So I learned it through the periodic table. So all the columns in the periodic table suggest a different stage of life, which I didn't know about at all earlier, and it was taught in very details by Yamini ma'am, and I got to learn it very beautifully. And it's so interesting to learn the materia medica through all these different tools, to study it through group method and through the periodic table. It kept me very interested into the subject all over the course. And then in the repertory section I got to learn different types of repertories and how to use those different repertories in different cases, and when to use them, how to use them, and then how to convert the patient's language into the rubrics. And also the highlight was that ma'am taught us those strange rubrics which are there in the repertory, which are commonly missed by us. Okay, when some strange symptoms come to us through the patients and we are not able to find it in the repertory, so those rubrics were also specifically and separately taught by ma'am. And it was really amazing to understand about such strange symptoms which exist in our repertory as well. And rubric exercises was a fun part, because it was amazing to convert the patient's language into the rubric by searching through the repertory. And I also got familiar with the repertory a lot more after doing the rubric exercises on daily basis. And then there was this subtopics like miasms, like potency selection, which are which were very much difficult for me earlier. But now after the course I am much more open to these topics, because they seem easier to me and clearer to me now. It was really amazing, and I would like to really thank Yamini ma'am for all the efforts and all the hard work that she's put into this, because it's not easy. She's done a lot of effort to into teaching us all those things, and I'm very thankful to her. I'm very blessed to have a guru like her into my life now. I was literally excited for every session which would come, which in every week I would wait for the session to happen. And also I would like to thank her specifically for pushing us to do the homework, because doing the homework was a very useful thing, because she there was such a lot of amount of knowledge that she would teach in a single session. And I am in the early years of learning homeopathy, so it was really hard for me to grasp everything in a single session. So doing the homework all over the week, slowly really helped me imprint that knowledge into my brain completely. So it was an amazing experience. She would motivate us a lot through replying to our homeworks, and she would ask me to put more efforts. And I really appreciate all her all her efforts and hard work that she's put into it. And I look forward to learning a lot more from her in the future as well.